guys, your friend Adeyemi watching shares. Today I'm going to show you how you are going to claim this free airdrop. Please watch this video to the end, and also don't miss this free airdrop for any reason. Please don't miss this free airdrop for any reason, right? So this is the airdrop link, but before we claim this airdrop, free airdrop, I'm going to walk you through some steps that for you to see that this airdrop, is going to be crazy, right? So now the first thing is, let's go. Please, I'm going to drop their link, the Telegram channel group. All right, so I'm going to drop it so you can just join it, and you're going to see a lot of things about this project and what they have been doing. And this coin was listed on this guy said they're gonna list it, so you have to be following them, right? Then on the 9th they said they're gonna list on the 4 of this exchange. I don't know which one that they want to list on them, but then as you can see, so you can just go through all their platform right here. And they said the coin has been listed on DApp. All right, so, and look at the worth on DApp. So this is the DApp link. So let's just check through the DApp link to see what these guys are actually saying. All right, so this is DApp Radar, where you can also buy a coin there, right? So as you can see, this is Shiba swaps, right? Shiba swaps. So as you can see, the token price right here. Okay, now the next. So just try. I'm gonna drop it inside on the. I'm gonna drop it under this video. All right, so you can also join. Just follow it. You can also see it on their platform as well. So then let's see their BSC scan. Let's see their BSC scan. So you can copy out their contract address right here and come to this place so that you can see how the transaction is actually going there, right? So all right, so now let's just scroll down so you can see that people are actually claiming the free airdrop like crazy. That is 28 seconds ago, 52 seconds ago, a minute, 1 minute. You can see how people are claiming the free airdrop right here, right? You can see how people are claiming the free airdrop. So we are also here to claim the free airdrop. Some are actually buying, like this guy just bought, and another one bought as well. So all right, so now we are not here actually. I'm not actually here to buy, because I told you that I love to be claiming a free airdrop, right? So then let's just go straight to the business, and just need to copy the link, right? So you just need to copy the link right here. So this link is going to be inside my group. So then it's going to be under the description of this video. So the first link that you're going to see under the description of this video is going to be this link. Then my group, Telegram group, if you have not joined there before, you can also join. It's going to be the second link, right? Then this information is going to be inside my group as well. So now guys, just copy that link, then you're going to go straight to Smart Chain, Trust Wallet, right? We're gonna go straight to Trust Wallet. Then when you get to Trust Wallet, you're gonna see DApp, right? So you click on DApp right here. Then you're gonna paste the airdrop link. You're gonna paste the airdrop link. You can see this is Shiba Inu swap, right? Shiba Inu swap token. So we are waiting for this thing to load. All right, so it's loading, right? So now the next thing you're gonna do right here, I don't want to waste much of our time, right? Then you're gonna come to this place, you're gonna change it, you're gonna click on it, just click on it. Then you now choose this smart wallet, right? So we're going to choose smart wallet. Click on smart wallet. You can see that it's already changed to smart wallet logo, right? Then so this is Shiba swap, right? Shiba swap. And you can see that their pre-sales is going to end in next thing, even in the airdrop, right? So we are not here to buy any coin. I'm not here to show you how to buy any coin, but how to claim the free airdrop, right? Then but then before then you can just check through and check their team, check about homepage, their Telegram, their Twitter. Then which one is this? Can just the first two things is the important one. That is the Telegram, the Twitter, so that you'll be seeing different information about the project, right? Then you're gonna scroll down. So you're gonna claim 3 million. I'm gonna claim 3 million Shiba, right? So then you're gonna click on claim. Then you're gonna see connect right here. So you're gonna connect with it. So and then it's loading. It will be loading, right? Then it will be loading. All right, you can see it's now loading. It's loading. All right, so now what you do next right now is just to click on approve right here. So you need to pay the transaction fee. So you must know that you should know that you must have a little amount in your trust wallet, that is BNB, your trust wallet. Then the next thing you're gonna do right here is just to click on approve, right? Then one thing about this is that you can claim it more than once. You can claim it 2 times. You can claim it 3 times. You can claim it 4 times. You can claim even up to, as it depends on how much you have in your BNB, right? It depends on how much you have in your BNB. Then you can see that it has been done red. Then the next thing you're gonna do right here is just to click on copy contract. Then you come back, close this. Then you're gonna come to home. Then when you come home, then you're gonna see these 2 lines right here. Click on that 2 line. Then you're gonna scroll down. Then you're gonna see add custom token. Click on add custom token. You're gonna change this Ethereum to smart chain. Then you're gonna change it to smart chain. Then click on paste right here. Click on this paste because you already copied the contract. And then you're gonna see this one. It's gonna pop up. Right. The next thing you're gonna do is just to click on done right here. All right, so you're gonna see, you're gonna give us 3 million. Can you see 3 million Shiba, right? 3 million Shiba. Now, let's say I want to claim it once again, right? The next thing you're gonna do is just to come to DApp, right? If I want to claim it again, you can see. So the next thing, what you're gonna do is just to come to DApp again. Then you're gonna click on this again, right? So you're gonna click on that again, that link again from DApp. Then you can see it's loading. So the same step that you took to claim the first one is the same thing they're going to do again. So all you need to do is just scroll down again, click on claim. Okay, let me refresh very well. So why this is loading, right? So let's quickly check on Radar. That is on Tap Radar. That Radar is showing that's how many zero is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I think 5, 4, right? Let's check again so that we can use it to calculate how many dollar are you getting for free right here. Now let's see. This is how many 4 behind 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 3, 9, right? Then you're gonna do it this way. And where's the calculator? That is 0.1234 multiplied by 3 million coins. That is $161.7, guys. So we claim it like 10 times. You claim like 10 times, it's gonna be like 1,617, right? So guys, so this is why for you guys, just watch this video, take the step And you can also tell your friends about it. When you tell your friends about it and think you're going to get 70% of 3 million that your friend is going to get, like if you use my link right now to claim yours, I'm going to get 70% of that 3 million to be added more to my own coins, right? And that is right, the benefit, so you can see. So the same thing they're going to do. Please install MetaMask. I have done that one. So I just want to do that. We'll be doing that because I don't want this video to be long and days. So I'm going to be doing that because I'm still going to claim more, right? I'm still going to claim more. You too, if you have PNB in your account, just try to claim more, right? So then you can also do your own research as well about this coin. But the one thing I want you to know that any coin that I may bring to my channel right here is going to be listed. Of course, it's going to they are great, okay? So I don't just see coin and just bring it down to this channel. All right, at least I do some researches before I bring them to this channel, right? So thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, please, I want you to claim on subscription button, click on the notification bell as well, so that whenever I drop a new content like this, YouTube will notify you that Adeyemi just drop another bomb on his channel. All right, thank you, bye.